Hi gardeners, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you guys upon what to do and how to care for clearance topiaries. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So here I have two topiaries I purchased off the clearance rack from Walmart. Walmart is one of the best places to purchase from the clearance rack because not only do their plants are still manageable to be revived, but also because their markdowns are pretty good, as well as you can find some interesting things like topiaries. So I purchased these two topiaries for $15 and the original price was $40. So I decided to dedicate a video on it because what happens if you come across topiaries in the clearance rack, you want to take one home and try to revamp it and try to make it live in your garden. So like topiaries can be more on the stingy side and can be a little bit more harder to take care of. This video is all about how to care for topiaries when they come off the clearance rack. So let's jump to step number one. So coming at number one is you have to repot them. Usually like topiaries tend to be in a container for a very long time. If you know you're not going to be planting them directly to the ground right away once you purchase them, I would recommend bumping up the size of the container to 1 to 2 gallons maximum of what the original pot was. So the original pots I had was a 3-gallon. I'm bumping it up to a 5-gallon because I'm not planting them right away. If not, I want them to recover and grow on a little bit before I use them in the garden. Step 2 is once you transplanted your topiaries, make sure you want to give them a good soak of water so they can start getting hydrated and they can start settling down into their new home. Coming at number 3 is you want to place them in dappled sunlight. You don't want to expose them yet to full sun because they have been thrown in the clearance rack and ignored completely. So you want to have them have a little bit of chance to recuperate. So put them in a little bit of sun and partial shade because that will give them the sunlight they need to start growing, but they will also get a little portion of shade so they can have a little bit of time to get cooled down. So make sure you place them in a little bit of dappled sunlight until they start growing and getting used to their new habitat. Coming at number 5 is you want to make sure you put those shears and pruners away. I know clearance topiaries might not look the best shape once you purchase them, and I know you're going to want to be eager to start shaping them and get them to your preferred look. You have to wait because in order for them to recuperate and show signs of life, you have to wait until new growth starts showing, because that's a sign that they're starting to grow in their new habitat and getting adjusted to the climate. So make sure you put those shears away and wait until new growth starts emerging so you can start pruning and shaping your topiaries to your desired size. So that's going to be it for this video. I covered on how to treat a topiary off the clearance rack. So hopefully if you purchase any topiaries, the topiaries will thrive in your garden after this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye everyone.